history is looked up to as a hero but is actually a terrible person. Gandhi, racist towards Africans, extremist in his peace ideology, said Jews should have just surrendered themselves, and a little odd, proclaimed himself celibate, and would sleep with young women who often revered him in his bed to test his resolve. Michael Jordan was known for being a huge asshole to people, mainly waitstaff and casino workers. Though, he is revered as an icon. Apparently Dr. Seuss cheated on his wife so much it drove her to unalivement. Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone, but wanted to stop the contamination of deaf people in society. He attempted to stop intermarriage between deaf and hearing people, and advocated for the ban of sign language. He also was a fan of eugenics to eliminate deaf people. If you apply modern ethics and morals to historical figures, you're going to think everyone was an asshole.